How to use the Toyota Prius Intelligent Park Assist feature. Toyota cars have come a long way since the days when cars were just a stick and a steering wheel. And one of the newest features on the Toyota Prius, the Intelligent Park Assist, proves this point. If you are just astounded at how you use it to perform something we all take for granted when pulling into a parking spot in a local shopping plaza or parallel parking on a street, you'll need to know how to use this system. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Auto V Fix. We bring you exciting topics about automobiles and provide clear explanations on car-related issues and essential components. We share helpful and professional tips to help maintain your vehicle. Keep watching to learn how to use the Toyota Prius Intelligent Park Assist feature. Navigating the Toyota Prius Intelligent Park Assist feature, a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Drive your Toyota Prius up until you see the spot you'd like to park in. It may be behind you or in front of you, unlike those of the Ford models, where the only thing you can do with their system is parallel park the car using its system. Step 2. Press the Park Assist button near the driver's side of the dashboard. Step 3. Make sure that the back end of your vehicle is further forward than the spot your vehicle has been designated to be parked in. Step 4. Look at your screen up on the dashboard. The vehicle will light up spots that it thinks there is a viable enough parking space located in. Not only will it light up the screen, but it will beep to alert you that there is a parking spot nearby that it can choose. Look for spots that turn into blue square areas. The vehicle can already determine that these spots are big enough and well-suited enough to park the car there. Step 5. Touch to fine-tune the parking space you believe would be a working space to park in. Use the arrow points on the screen to fine-tune the spot. Look for the car to find out what area you may be indicating as you move around the parking lot. The arrows will select the spot and will highlight the spots. Step 6. Adjust the parking space. It's designated. Step 7. Touch the OK button in the bottom right corner of the dashboard screen. Step 8. Put your car in reverse gear and only keep your foot on the brake pedal. Operate only the brake pedal as you park the car. Step 9. Put your foot on the brake pedal when you've backed up far enough without running through the building or into any designated non-parking areas. Step 10. Cancel the guidance feature on your vehicle by pressing the X button on the display. Tips for optimal use. Follow on-screen directions. Always adhere to the on-screen instructions for precise positioning. Mind your speed. Allow the car to scan the area at speeds not exceeding 6 miles, 9.7 kilometers per hour, especially during parallel parking. Plan ahead. Consider planning ahead, especially during the initial uses of the Park Assist feature, to familiarize yourself with its operation. Important warnings. Visual checks are vital. Always visually inspect the surroundings to ensure no obstacles hinder the parking path. Relying solely on the dashboard display may overlook blind spots. Recognize white lines. The system only understands white lines, not yellow or blue. Ensure parking spot lines are white for accurate recognition. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more DIY automotive tips and tricks. Leave your comments below and let us know if there are any other topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay safe.